Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
Hi guys, usually we do giveaways on our Facebook page in the form of discounts for work or powder coating our media. This time we're going to try something a little different. Our company is going to donate $50 worth of Bitcoin for this giveaway. Just because I believe it's the next evolution of currency. I don't believe it's just a store of value. Currency over the years has been stone, jewelry, gems, precious metal, coins, money, debit cards, PayPal now, Venmo. I believe the next evolution is going to be cryptocurrency. On October 1st, we will be doing a drawing for the $50 worth of Bitcoin. To be entered in this drawing, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and down in the comments put what your favorite cryptocurrency is. Whether it's Chainlink, Bitcoin, it doesn't matter as long as you put down something. Of course, one of the requirements of entering this is that you have to have a crypto wallet that supports taking Bitcoin. If you don't have one, down in the description is a link to Coinbase. That's a US company. They're insured by FDIC, just like US banks are. So they're a very safe exchange. As soon as I send you the crypto, you can either keep it and see where it goes over the years, or you can withdraw the $50 out. It doesn't really matter. The reason we're doing this is just for Bitcoin awareness, to have people understand what Bitcoin is and what you can do with it. There are other ways to get more entries to this giveaway. One of them is to go to our Facebook page. On our Facebook page, one of our posts has this video in it. Go ahead and share that. That will get you an entry. Also, if you share this YouTube video, will also get you an entry. I know it's weird that we are a powder coating company that is doing a Bitcoin giveaway, but I'm personally doing it just for Bitcoin awareness. I believe in Bitcoin. I believe where we're going with Bitcoin. I believe in the future of cryptocurrency in general. So please enter and good luck.
The world is a vampire.